Menasukai you can prepare of different varieties. You can prepare out of Turkeyberry. You can prepare out of plain mango. You can prepare out of pineapple. You can prepare out of yam, etc. etc. So today I am going to prepare Menasukai out of Turkeyberry. And as you know or everybody know, Turkeyberry is one of the best agent for cleaning our stomach. If you consume at least once in a month this Turkeyberry, your tummy will get reduced as well as your tummy gets cleaned up. Your stomach will get cleaned up. So and this particular Turkeyberry Menasukai is so tasty and everybody likes it and loves it. Now let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare this Turkeyberry Menasukai. The main item in Turkeyberry Menasukai is sesame seed. There are two varieties of sesame seed. One is black and one is white. The best and good for your health is black sesame seed. And here I have taken around 3 spoons of sesame seed, 3 spoons of urad dal, little salt for taste, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, little coconut oil for frying this masala item as well as Turkeyberry, little fenugreek and around 10 red chillies, and for seasoning little mustard, red chilli, coconut oil and curry leaves. Now in Udupi style, whichever sabji you prepare, you need salt, tamarind and jaggery. Here instead of tamarind I have selected around 10 hog plums as a substitute. This gives an added taste to the Turkeyberry Menasukai. And instead of jaggery I am adding here 1 half ripe mango. This also gives an added taste to the Turkeyberry Menasukai. Plus 1 bowl of Turkeyberry and 1 coconut scrape. Now let us see how to prepare Turkeyberry Menasukai or Kallattan Menasukai, or in Malayalam we call it as Chundanya Ellu curry. First you have to fry this sesame seed. My pan is already heated and I have already put this sesame seeds. It has started bursting. Now we'll add this urad dal. Now we'll add this fenugreek, red chilli, coconut scraped. We'll roast it for just 5 minutes. Yes, now we'll switch off the gas and we'll just wait so that it gets cooled down. Add little water and grind it with thin paste. I've already put oil, coconut oil. Now we'll just fry this Turkeyberry so that the sabji will be more tasty if you fry this Turkeyberry a bit. We'll fry it for some 5 minutes and then towards this we are going to add this hog plum. This hog plum is added instead of tamarind. Turmeric powder and salt. We'll add water. I'll cover the top. Yes, it has been cooked properly. Now we'll add this half ripe mango towards it. This we are adding instead of jaggery. This will give an added taste. Grinded masala gravy towards it. we'll add water. If you want a concentrated style, it's okay. Otherwise, you can add more water to it. I'm going to add little water. Now, no need of covering the top. We'll leave as it is. Our Turkeyberry Menasukai is ready. So, now we'll season it and get ready for lunch. So nice to be with you. Happy day. Thank you.